In a world screaming for your attention, how do you know it's real? One scroll, one headline, and suddenly you're questioning everything. Welcome to the new Wild West of information, where deception hides in plain sight. From viral memes to shocking headlines, we're constantly bombarded. But not all information is created equal. Some of it is brilliantly designed to trick you. Welcome to the digital jungle, where hidden masters of persuasion are always at play. But here's the good news. Your brain is an amazing tool. Today, we're unlocking its true power, giving it a real superpower, the critical thinking lens. You won't just consume information. You'll learn to deconstruct it. Get ready to become your own media detective. Tactic 1, the emotional hook. Ever click a headline that ignites instant outrage or makes your jaw drop? That's classic clickbait. Manipulators want to bypass your brain and hijack your feelings. If it stirs intense emotion before you've read a word, hit the brakes. They're counting on you to share, react, and not think. Tactic 2, the missing links. Fake news lacks solid proof. Too good, bad to be true? Probably is. Ask, who's the source? Credible expert or random account? Where's their data? Check links for studies or original reports. Scrutinize the URL. Misspellings, weird domains, red flags. Anyone can fake a site. Stay sharp. Tactic 3, everyone has a lens. Every story comes with a perspective. News, influencers, even friends, all have biases. Consider the angle. Inform, persuade, divide. Seek multiple sources. Don't rely on one viewpoint. And the ultimate twist, you have biases too. We gravitate to what confirms our beliefs. Be aware of your own echo chamber. So how to master media detective? Question everything. Verify sources. Understand emotional triggers. Courageously embrace diverse perspectives. Our goal isn't cynicism. It's to be truly informed, powerfully empowered, and to let your mind bloom. Ready for more tools to sharpen your intellect? Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. What tactics have you spotted? Stay curious and keep blooming.